Today, we'll go over some simple tips on troubleshooting your 510 vape battery. If you have an extra cart, it can be good to check to see if the battery or cart is to blame. This can make it easier to single out which is the culprit, so keep an extra around in case this happens to you. The first and most obvious is to make sure your battery is on. On this model, it's 5 quick clicks, and then the LED will flash letting you know it's on. If you are getting no response or a red LED, then make sure you have it charged. Make sure you line up the threads to your charger, and if available, use the original charger that came with the battery. On this model, once the charge is complete, you will get a solid green LED. If it is still not working, you can try cleaning the connections of every part involved to remove any buildup on the connections. Use some 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol, as this is safe to use on electronics, as it's quick to evaporate and will be a good solvent for the oils. The next troubleshooting step is to make sure your connection between the cart and battery is working. This metal plate is where the voltage from the battery goes to your cart, and on the cart, this pin is where it makes the connection to your battery. First, make sure you have a tight connection between the cart and battery. Try to not over-tighten. If there is still no connection, you can try gently raising the pin on your cart. Sometimes this pin may be too pressed in to make a solid connection. I used a small dab tool to slightly raise it up. If the pin pops out when adding it back in, make sure you have this wire still visible and simply add the pin back in. The wire connects the pin to the atomizer. Try and be gentle when adding the pin back in, as the wire may fall into the cart. If these steps don't work, you may have a shortage in your cart or you may need to replace your battery. We hope this helps. If you have any other tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you need a new battery, visit our website at whiterhinoproducts.com.